Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change the username of your MacBook. Let's get started. If you created your username while setting up your MacBook and you are looking for ways to change it again, don't worry, I will explain it to you. To change the username of your MacBook, first, you need to click on the Apple icon in the top left corner and select System Preferences. Now, inside System Preferences, you need to find the Users and Groups section. Next, click on that. Here, you'll see a list of all the users currently using the Mac. If you want to change the username of your admin account, you'll need to first unlock the lock icon. Next, right-click on that user and select Advanced Options. Please note that I'm using macOS Monterey. If you're using a different version of macOS, you might find these options slightly different. Now, to change the username, click on the section that displays the full name. Currently, it's showing my name. You can change it to anything else, like my computer or my Mac. After changing the full name, click on OK. As you can see here, the username has been changed to My Mac. So that's how you can change the username of your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up for more content like this. Thanks for watching.